Welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online class. Today I will see the chapter Algebra, exercise 3.12. Good morning students. Fourth question. A girl is twice as old as her sister. 5 years hence, the product of their ages in years will be 375. Find their present age. Once again repeat the question. A girl is twice as old as her sister. That means the sister age x means girl age is 2x. 5 years hence, that means x plus 5. The product of their ages will be 375. Therefore, x plus 5 into 2x plus 5, that is equal to 375. Find their present age. Solution. Let the present age of her sister be x years. Therefore, girl age is 2x because the girl age is twice as old as her sister. The second condition is 5 years hence their ages will be, her sister age is x plus 5 and girl age is 2x plus 5, that is 5 years hence. Given that the product of two ages equal to 375, her sister age x plus 5, the girl age is 2x plus 5, that is equal to 375. Now simplifying the x plus 5 into 2x plus 5, we get the value is 2x square plus 15x minus 350 equal to 0. Factorize the quadratic equation. 2x square, split the value of 15x, that equal to minus 20x plus 35x minus 350 equal to 0. We take first two value, 2x square minus 20x. Next take last two value, 35x minus 350 equal to 0. We get the common value of first two value is equal to 2x. Common value is 2x. The remaining is x minus 10. Third and fourth term common value is 35. Therefore take common value 35. Remaining, that's also x minus 10. So x minus 10 is common. Take x minus 10. Remaining 2x plus 35, that is equal to 0. That is one factorization method. Therefore x equal to x minus 10 equal to 0. We get x equal to 10. 2x plus 35 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 35. X equal to that minus 35 divided by 2. Negative cannot be possible. Age cannot be negative value. Therefore, we get x equal to 10. X is her sister age. Therefore, her present age of her sister age is 10 years. The present age of a girl is 20 because twice her sister age. 2x means 2 into 10, that equal to 20 years. Therefore, present age of a girl is 20 years. Present age of her sister is 10 years. Next question number 5. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular ground of diameter 20 meter in such a way that the difference of its distance from two diametrically opposite fixed gate P and Q on the boundary is 4 meter. Is it possible to do so? If answer is yes, at what distance from the two gate should the pole be erected? What is question? First, a pole erected boundary of a circular ground. The diameter of 20 meter. Opposite fixed gate, diametrically opposite fixed gate P and Q. The difference is 4 meter. Now what is find the value? Distance from the two gate. First we draw a one circular boundary. Now here A is a pole. P and Q be a diametrically opposite gate. That is distance PQ is 20 meter. The O be the center of the circular boundary. Now what is the find value? We find out the PA and QA. PA equal to X. That means AQ or QA equal to X minus 4. Solution. Let A be the point where the pole is erected. P and Q are 2 points which are diametrically opposite. Diameter PQ equal to 20 meter. Therefore, PO equal to OQ equal to 10 meter. Already we see the diagram. So, PA minus QA equal to 4 because difference between the two gate equal to 4, that is given value. Therefore, difference between PA minus QA equal to 4. Let PA be X. Therefore, QA equal to X minus 4. From the figure, PA square plus QA square equal to PQ square. That is Pythagoras theorem. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of the other two side. The hypotenuse side is PQ square. Other two side is PA and QA. Therefore, PA square plus QA square. How to use Pythagoras theorem? The triangle PAQ is a right angle triangle. Angle A equal to 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle triangle. Therefore, we use Pythagoras theorem. Now substitute the value of PA equal to X. So X square plus X minus 4 the whole square. QA equal to X minus 4 equal to 20 square. That is PQ value is 20. Now X square plus X minus 4 the whole square. We explain the A minus B whole square formula. A square minus 2AB plus B square. Therefore, X square minus 8X plus 16 minus 400 that equal to 0. Therefore, X square plus X square is 2X square minus 8X plus 16 minus 400 that equal to minus 380 equal to 0. Now common value is 2, therefore divided by 2 both sides. We get the value is X square minus 4X minus 192 equal to 0. We solve the quadratic equation using factorization method. Multiply the two number is minus 192. The same number is subtract or added. We get minus 4. Therefore, we take the value is minus 16 and 12. X minus 16 into X plus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, X minus 16 equal to 0. We get X equal to 16. Second value, X plus 12 equal to 0. We get X equal to minus 12. Therefore, X equal to 16 comma minus 12. Minus 12 is not possible because negative cannot be possible. Therefore, X equal to only 16. Therefore, X equal to 16. If PA equal to 16, now find next QA. The QA value is x minus 4. We substitute x equal to 16. 16 minus 4, that equal to 12. Therefore, PA equal to 16 meter, QA equal to 12 meter. And it is very much possible from the given data. That's all. Sixth question. From a group of black peas 2x square, square root of half of the group went to a tree. Again 8/9 of bees went to the same tree. The remaining 2 got caught up in the fragrant lotus. How many bees were there in total? Solution. Given total number of bees equal to 2x square. The square root of half of the group equal to 2x square divided by 2 whole power 1 by 2. 8/9 of bees equal to 8 by 9 into 2x square. From given data, 2x square minus x minus 8 by 9 into 2x square equal to 2. Now multiply by 2, the get answer is 18x square minus 9x minus 16x square equal to 2 into 9, 18. Simplify that, remaining 2x square minus 9x minus 18 equal to 0. Therefore, we split the value of minus 9 equal to minus 12x plus 3x. 2x square minus 12x plus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. We have 4 terms. Split the first two value and last two value. We take first two common x. Second is 3 is common. Therefore 2x into x minus 6 plus 3 into x minus 6 equal to 0. Both are x minus 6 is common. Therefore x minus 6 into 2x plus 3 equal to 0. We get x value equal to 6 and x equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 not possible. We get x equal to 6. So total number of bees equal to 2 into x square. Therefore 72. Next 7th question. Music is being played in 2 opposite galleries with a certain group of people. In the first gallery, a group of 4 singers were singing, and in the second gallery 9 singers were singing. The 2 galleries are separated by the distance of 70 meter. Where should a person stand from hearing the same intensity of the singer's voice? Hint: the ratio of the sound intensity is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding distance. The question is, we have 2 opposite galleries. The first gallery a group of 4 singer, and the second gallery 9 singer. The distance of 2 gallery is 70 meter. Which place the person standing hearing the singer voice? That is a question. The first dot is first gallery, last dot is second gallery. We have 4 singers in first galleries, 9 singers in last galleries. The distance between the 2 galleries is 70 meter. A person standing between the 2 singers. The distance between first gallery from a person is x. That is we take. And then person to last gallery, that equal to total distance is 70 minus x. Therefore person to second gallery distance is 70 minus x. Now given that number of singer in the first gallery equal to 4, number of singer in the second gallery equal to 9, let the person in standing x meter apart from the first gallery. Therefore 70 minus x meter from the second gallery. From the given data, the ratio of the sound intensity is equal to square of the corresponding distance. Therefore 4k divided by 9k. K means that is one constant. We change the ratio value, we put k value equal to x square divided by 70 minus x the whole square. The distance square. First distance x, second distance 70 minus x the whole square. Numerator k, denominator k is cancelled. Remaining 4 by 9 equal to x square divided by 70 minus x the whole square. Cross multiplying 4 into 70 minus x the whole square equal to 9x square. Therefore 4 into 70 minus x the whole square. Therefore a minus b the whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A value 70, 4900 minus 2 into 70 into x minus 140x plus b square x square equal to 9x square. Multiple by 4 into 4900 that equal to 19600 minus 4 into 140 minus 560x plus 4 into x square 4x square equal to 9x square. Interchanging the all values, we get 5x square plus 560x minus 19600 equal to 0. Divided by 5, we get the value is x square minus 112x minus 3920 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation. A value is 1, B value is 112, C value is minus 3920. Apply formula method. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. B value is 112, so minus 112 plus or minus root of b square. B value is 112 the whole square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is minus 3920 divided by 2 into a value is 1 equal to minus 112 plus or minus root of 112 square is 12544 plus minus into minus plus 4 into 3920 that equal to 15680 divided by 2 that equal to minus 112 plus or minus root of 28224 divided by 2 equal to minus 112 plus or minus the square root of 28224 is 168 divided by 2. We have x equal to minus 112 plus or minus 168 divided by 2. We split the value. X equal to minus 112 plus 168 divided by 2 comma minus 112 minus 168 divided by 2. Minus 112 plus 168, simplify the value, that is we get 56 divided by 2 comma minus 112 minus 168, simplify minus 280 divided by 2. Now 56 divided by 2 equal to 28. Minus 280 divided by 2 equal to minus 140. Minus 140 is not possible. Negative cannot be possible value. Therefore, we get x equal to 28 meter. First distance x equal to 28 meter. Second will be 70 minus x, that equal to 70 minus 28 equal to 42 meter. Therefore, the person standing from the first gallery 28 distance of 28 meter, the person standing second gallery distance is 42 meter. That's 8th question. There is a square field whose side is 10 meter. A square floor bed is prepared in its center, leaving a gravel path all around the flower bed. The total cost of laying the flower bed and graveling the path at rupees 3 and rupees 4 per square meter respectively is rupees 364. Find the width of the gravel path. The question is, we have one square field whose side is 10 meter. A square flower bed is prepared in center, leaving a gravel path all around the flower bed. The cost of flower bed is rupees 3. Cost of gravel path rupees 4. Total cost of flower bed and gravel path is rupees 364. Find the width of the gravel path. That is a question. We draw a one square, that is square field, 10 meter side. We prepared center of the square field flower bed. Let X be the side of the flower bed, otherwise remaining gravel path. That is a diagram. Solution: given side of the field equal to 10 meter. Therefore, area of the field that equal to 10 square, because area of the square is side square. Side equal to 10 means 10 square, that equal to area of the field 100 square meter. 10 into 10, 100 square meter. And second one, let the side of flower bed be x meter. Therefore, area of the flower bed equal to x square, because area of the flower bed that is square also, therefore x square. Next one, third one is area of the path that equal to 100 minus x square, because total area 100, the inner flower bed is x square, therefore 100 minus x square, that is the area of the path. Therefore, area of the path equal to 100 minus x square. Given the total cost for laying the flower bed and graveling the path at rupees 3 and 4 respectively is rupees 364. Therefore, total cost means add the both area and amount. The first one is x square. So 3 into x square, flower bed area is x square, therefore flower bed cost is 3. Therefore 3 into x square plus gravel path area is 100 minus x square. The cost is 4. The plus 4 into 100 minus x square equal to total cost is 364. 3x square plus 4 into 100, 400 minus 4 into x square, 4x square equal to 364. 3x square minus 4x square, that equal to, we get minus x square. 400 minus x square equal to 364. Therefore, we simplify x square minus 36 equal to 0. X square equal to 36. X equal to square root of 36 plus or minus 6. Minus 6 is not possible. Therefore, we get x equal to 6. Width of the path equal to 10 minus 6 divided by 2. That means 10 minus x divided by 2. Therefore, x value is 6. 10 minus 6 divided by 2. 10 minus 6 equal to 4. 4 by 2 equal to 2 meter. Therefore, width of the gravel path equal to 2 meter. Two women together took 100 eggs to a market. One had more than the other. Both sold them for the same sum of money. The first then said to the second, "If I had your eggs, I would have earned rupees 15. To which the second replied, "If I had your eggs, I would have earned rupees 6 into 2 by 3. How many eggs did each had in the beginning?" The question is, two women took 100 eggs to a market. Both sold them for the same sum of money. Second condition. Third one, the first woman told second woman, if I had your egg, I would have earned rupees 15. Second replied, I had your eggs, I would have earned rupees 6 into 2 by 3. So how many eggs did each had in the beginning? Solution. Let the number of eggs with the first woman be x. Therefore number of eggs with the second woman total 100. So 100 minus x, that is a second woman number of egg with the second woman 100 minus x. Now let A be the cost of an egg sold by the first woman and B be the cost of a sold by the second woman. Given x greater than 100 minus x, because one more than other, that is x greater than 100 minus x, and the first one is a into 100 minus x equal to 15. Here a is cost of egg for first woman. 100 minus x, that is number of eggs with the second woman, equal to her save 15 rupees 15. That is a into 100 minus x equal to 15. The second condition is bx equal to 6 into 2 by 3. B is cost of egg for second woman. X is number of eggs for first woman, that equal to her save 6 into rupees 6 into 2 by 3. That is bx equal to 6 into 2 by 3. Therefore a equal to 15 divided by 100 minus x. Second one b equal to mixed fraction, convert to the fraction 6 into 3 18 plus 2 20 divided by 3x, that is b value. And also given that egg been sold for same sum of money, therefore ax equal to 100 minus x into b. Therefore ax equal to 100 into b minus xb. Interchange minus xb, we get plus xb. Therefore ax plus xb equal to 100b. Take common value of x. X into a plus b equal to 100b. Therefore x equal to 100b divided by a plus b. Now substituting the value of a and b. A equal to 15 divided by 100 minus x. B equal to 20 divided by 3x. Therefore x equal to 100 into 20 divided by 3x divided by 15 divided by 100 minus x plus 20 divided by 3x. X equal to 100 into 20, 2000 divided by 3x. That is numerator. Now denominator is, take LCM, 3x into 100 minus x, 3x into 15 45x plus 20 into 100 minus x, that equal to 20 into 100 2000 minus 20x. Now change the reciprocals. 2000 divided by 3x into 3x into 100 minus x divided by 2000 plus 25x. Now cancel 3x is cancel, remaining x equal to 2000 into 100 minus x divided by 2000 plus 25x. Now 25 is cancelled, therefore x into x square plus 80 into x 80x equal to 80 into 100 8000 minus 80 into x minus 80x. We form a quadratic equation, x square plus 80 plus 86 160x minus 8000 equal to 0. Use factorization method. Multiple the two number is minus 8000. subtract the or add the same number is 160. Therefore we get the two number is 200 into minus 40, that equal to 8000. 200 minus 40, that equal to plus 160. X plus 200 equal to 0. We get x equal to minus 200. X minus 40 equal to 0. We get x equal to 40. Minus 200 is not possible. Therefore we get x equal to 40. Then 100 minus x equal to 100 minus 40 equal to 60. X is first woman number of egg. 100 minus xb second woman number of egg. Therefore two women had 40 and 60 eggs in the beginning. 10th question. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 25 centimeter and its perimeter 56 centimeter. Find the length of the smallest side. That is a question. Solution. Draw a one right angle triangle. Here hypotenuse side is the biggest side is hypotenuse side, that equal to given the 25 centimeter. Right, hypotenuse side 25 centimeter. Find the length of smallest side and also given that perimeter of the right angle triangle. Let the other side be x and y. Therefore using Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to sum of the square of the other two side. Hypotenuse is 25 square, other two side is x and y. Therefore x square plus y square equal to 25 square. That is equation number 1. Perimeter equal to 56 centimeter. Perimeter means sum of the all sides. Therefore x plus y plus 25 equal to 56. Y equal to 56 minus 25 minus x. Therefore y equal to 31 minus x. Substituting y equal to 31 minus x in equation number 1. Therefore x square plus 31 minus x the whole square equal to 625. X square plus 31 minus x the whole square, expand a minus b whole square formula. Therefore 961 minus 62x plus x square minus 625 equal to 0. X square plus x square 2x square minus 62x plus 961 minus 625, that equal to 336. Therefore 2x square minus 62x plus 336 equal to 0. Dividing by 2 on both sides, we get x square minus 31x plus 168 equal to 0. We split the value of minus 31, we get minus 24x minus 7x. We get the 4 terms. First two term is common value is x. Take common value x, remaining x minus 24. Last two term common value is 7. We take common value 7, therefore remaining x minus 24. Both are x minus 24 is common. Take x minus 24, remaining x minus 7, that equal to 0. Therefore we get x equal to 7, 24. We find the smallest side of the triangle. Therefore we get 7 only. 24 is biggest side. Therefore cannot be possible. We get smallest side of the triangle is 7 centimeter. That's all.